Are you looking for a way to delete an empty page from your Google Doc? Well, keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to delete either a blank page or even a page containing content in Google Doc. Hi, I'm Dr. Oniel Obed, and on this channel we'll put out a lot of content related to tech, software, mobile apps, and various digital skills. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. As I mentioned earlier, in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete an empty or a blank page in Google Doc. In fact, this can be a headache sometimes, and I'm going to show you various ways to delete it. So let's get into the computer and I'll show you how. On your computer, you have a sample Google Doc here that we are using for this demonstration. So when we scroll down, you realize that there are some empty spaces or empty pages in this document. So we are going to try our best to delete some of these empty pages. And I'm going to show you two different ways. So sometimes what you need to know, pay attention here, what you need to know is that depending on how that empty page was created, okay, depending on how the empty page was created, deleting it may be different. So let's start with the very first one. As you can see here, page 4 has content on it, page 5 is empty, page 6 is also empty, and page 7 has some content. Look, let's try deleting page 5. So the very first thing you want to try is to hold your control key on your keyboard and press delete on the keyboard. So control delete, and let's check what just happened. So you can see that now it's only page 5 that is empty. Page 6 is gone, meaning we've deleted one of the pages that were empty. Let's undo that for you to confirm. So initially we had two adjacent or two continuous pages that were empty or blank, but this time around when we put the cursor at the end, so pay attention, the cursor is at the end of where you want to delete the subsequent page you want to delete. So I hold Control and press delete, and it deletes one of those empty pages. If I hold Control and press delete again, it has deleted both of them. Now let's scroll down, and we are going to do same for this other one. Now this particular page is page 6, also is empty. So let's put a cursor here, Control delete. Unfortunately, this is not deleted. So I mentioned earlier that it depends on how the empty page was created. Google Doc is actually seeing that there is some content here. Okay, so this page, this empty page was created. In fact, there was some documents there. Then we hit enter for these documents to move to the bottom. So it's seeing this as if there is content here. Therefore, to delete it, you have to select the content. So the difference between this empty page and the other one that we initially deleted had what we call, was created using page breaks. So it was absolutely an empty page. That's why we could use the Control delete to delete it. But this is not like that. So make sure you select everything on that page and press your backspace. So once you do that, then you are able to delete it. So I've shown you two different ways to delete the empty pages, and I said that it depends on how those empty pages were created. So let's assume that we want to retry it. So I create an empty page again. So this is using page breaks. I just use page breaks to create this empty space. Once I've created it, if you want to delete it, because this is absolutely empty, we can use Control plus delete to delete it. But if you use enter to have created it, Google Doc is saying as if there is some content here. So to be able to delete this, you have to select the whole page, then click your backspace to delete it. So that is how to delete an empty page in Google Doc. I hope you've learned something new from this lesson. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.